You asked, how to divide 5281 by 5 using the long division method. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 28 minus 25 equals 3. Bring down 1, making 31. 31 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 31 minus 30 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1056 remainder 1.